is the pot I ordered from Amazon. Because of a damaged packaging, I got it for less than 40 euros. Now it's quite large, and we use it to sterilize the glassware when we do the bottling of fruit and stuff like that. Here you can see it on the wood stove, and I'm extremely happy with both the quality and the price of this product. I can recommend it, except the delivery of Amazon leaves a lot to be desired. This pot was abandoned on the street near a gas station, just abandoned by the delivery of Amazon. And luckily some neighbors found it, and they called a friend of mine who called me, and I was able to retrieve the pot undamaged. I don't know what happened to Amazon, but between my last order and this one, something seriously went wrong. I don't know how to report this, because in the app of Amazon it's impossible to report these kind of things. But there it is. The pot itself is decent quality, stainless steel. It does its job super well.